Alhamdulillah. Number one, just to summarize, we need to be extremely grateful to Allah. He gave us this opportunity, gave us the knowledge, gave us the availability of the knowledge, gave us the place, gave us the time, gave us the health, gave us the technology, gave us all the heart and the desire to do this. When we talk about Tazkiyah, we talk about 4 ayat in the Quran. There is way more, but the first 4 I'm going to start with is the first one in Surah Al-Baqarah, the cow. When Sayyidina Ibrahim alayhi salam and his son, Sayyidina Ismail, were building the Kaaba, elevating the foundation of the Kaaba. وَإِذْ يَرْفَعُ إِبْرَاهِيمُ الْقَوَاعِدَ مِنَ الْبَيْتِ رَبَّنَا تَقَبَّلْ مِنَّا. This is what I want you all to learn this. Anything you are doing that's pleasing to Allah, because with the right niyyah, it's a ibadah. So you are coming, you're fasting, you're doing your salah, you're going to Mecca, or you are helping in the masjid, or you're helping a sister, anything you're doing that's pleasing to Allah, taqabbal minna. Don't take it for granted. As Sayyidina Ali said, if I know one ruk'ah, not salah, one ruk'ah, one act, Allah has accepted from me, I have no issues. Let me die tomorrow. Which I say this to myself. Yani, if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala send us a note through something, any one of us, and says, tonight you're dying. Khalas, tonight, is it possible? Absolutely. Right? What will you do?